Chiropractors. Stop abusing your body to help your patients. Using only your hands for every adjustment takes a serious toll on your wrists and shoulders. There's a smarter way to adjust without sacrificing your health. Introducing Anterior Assist replaces the fist in thoracic adjustments, protecting chiropractors' hands while ensuring smoother, safer treatments. TR Action Assist makes tough adjustments easy, giving you leverage to treat larger patients without straining your shoulders. Just wrap, secure, and pull for smooth, effective traction. Protect your body while healing others. For a limited time, bundle the Anterior Assist and TR Action Assist and get 50% off the second tool. Work smarter, stay pain-free, and extend your career.